here. So as you see, today I'm gonna be playing the Metaverse Champions. Like I'm gonna be playing the Easter Hunt this time. So basically, this is it. This is the Champions Hub, and so basically I wanna earn the outfit for this one. So basically I've done 3 games of this. I'll go back. I've done many games, but I think so it will show up like tomorrow or afterwards maybe. 1 game of this, and I've not done all games. So what is this? This club Roblox. The Grandma's House Hobby I have completed. Creatures of Sonaria, nope. So now I've just completed like 2-3 of these. Then it is this one. In this one I've completed Lumber Tycoon, Warship Beta. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I'll leave this one now and I'll go to okay, I'll go over here. So in this one I've completed the God Tycoon. Then that's it. So maybe let's do this one today. So I'm gonna be like, let's play, maybe let's play Katana Simulator, maybe like a simulator game, and I've not recorded a simulator game since a lot of time. Okay, let's see what it is. What do we have to do in this? Eliminate 25 other players in one play session to receive the Fey mystery box. Okay, so I don't have a katana. Upgrade katana, is that it? Equip. What? Okay, so I have got in this game, and okay, so I'm just getting some. Let me upgrade my katana, maybe it's for 10 coins. Royal katana, let's go for the royal katana. I'll grind for till the royal katana. PvP areas there. So to earn the metaverse badge, you need to go to the PvP area and do a lot of PvP. No, I don't wanna go to PvP area, so I'm just gonna come back out here. Okay, so I'll get 200 coins, and then maybe it will be cool. Yeah, maybe. So I got 200 coins anyway. Royal katana, buy, equipped. I equipped the royal katana. Holy, it gives a lot of money. So this is for 500. This is of poison no, this of katana flames. I think maybe let's go for this one. It's just gonna take 150 tries maybe. Okay, back to game, and then I'll earn more. The gong, what is this? Oh nope, never mind. The double innator, what is that? Let me just oh, never mind. Join Gordon group. You have joined the group. I'll give you a special prize. Also, we would appreciate if you left a like on the group. Okay, never mind. So I have 500 right now. I'll just get 1500. Okay. Oh wow, we can go higher up. And this is a place that is secret maybe. What is there inside that place? Holy, there's like a cool chest out there. How do I get in this place? Is there like a glitch that we can do to get in this place? I don't think so, at least. Okay. So basically, yep, I think I have got enough. Okay, yeah, here I am. Here I've got enough. Katana of flames. Whoa. How much does this do? Let's just see. Holy, it gives 40. Whoa. What is the next one? The bubbly katana. Never mind, I'll get the green. No, I'll get the bubbly katana maybe, because that's too high. Oh, hello. Wait a second, guys. I'll just call him. Okay, so guys, I am here, and okay, I think I have enough for the bubbly katana. Yep, I do indeed. I equipped it and whoa, this looks some kind. Oh, holy! It gives like 100 coins per time. What? Okay, so WSD Gamer is like in my call and I am speaking to him. Okay, so holy, I've got a lot of money. So basically, there is a like I gotta kill someone. Like I've gotta kill 25 people. They have not mentioned different people. So basically, let's go and kill like WSD Gamer like 25 times. Lol. Okay, can I kill you 25 times? Okay, there are some people here. After thing you do. Holy, this guy does so much damage. What? Like, this guy had the sword with did so much of damage. Let me just get the green chopper. Okay. So, holy. You get 1000 coins for killing one player. OMG, that's a lot. So, let me just... I really just need to get like many people. Okay, holy. OMG, what? These people are so OP, man. I'm just gonna get some money and then maybe let's... Okay, WSD Gamer, where are you? Oh. Okay, so basically private servers are free in this game, so let me join one private server with WSD Gamer and then we'll join that. Okay, so guys, I've got 11 kills till now and I'm just going to the VP area and I and like Fasty Gamer are just doing that. So it's easy with friends who are good and all that. So basically I can just get free kills if he just goes AFK and like literally, you know guys. I'm boss. Lol, I defeated a boss. Yay. I get a lot of money. That is good. So now I need to have a sword like katana which is for like oh holy. Oh lol, I got you. Okay, I'll give you a kill now. It's now your turn. So now basically we are doing it like turn by turn. Bruh, he got me. No. Okay, so now it's my turn. And now I'm just gonna get him. It's my turn. Where is he going, man? He's literally running away. Okay, you could have the turn, man. Just get me quick. Then I'll get you. Okay, I'll just stand here. Okay. Lol. I'll get a kill now. So let me just see how much now the katana is ahead of me. The emerald katana. And how much is the emerald katana? Cool. I'll just equip it. Oh wow, it gives 1.2k. It's for 450k. Cool. So guys, there are two codes in this game. The first code is 75k thanks, and that gives like a lot of money. Guys, so I am here, and as you see, I have these like upgraded version. So basically, this is done now. So now only very less, like a lot of them are left, but I'll maybe do it in next time. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.